The FRM series radar Flowmeter is a product that measures water flow rate and liquid level using radar technology and converts the water flow into an integral model. It can measure water flow in real time around the clock and is non-contact, thus being less affected by the measurement environment. This product offers a bracket fixation method. Next, I will use the model to demonstrate the installation methods for these models. The FRM 5000 is an FMCW radar water level sensor with bracket mounting for quick, wiring-free installation. Larger installation angles are more susceptible to signal jumps, while smaller angles help suppress rainfall interference and enhance signal quality. An installation angle of approximately 30 degrees is recommended, as shown. FRM 6000 integrates level, flow rate, and total flow measurement. Low power consumption supports both directions. FRM 6001 is IP68 waterproof compliant. Flow velocity, liquid level, flow output at the same time without interfering with each other. Less maintenance.